Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the VOLTME Revo 140 Power Delivery 3.1 GaN Charger. This charger is capable of providing power delivery of up to 140 watts to any laptops or MacBooks. It comes with a retractable 2-prong plug which you can plug straight to the wall, and has a USB-A port providing 2.4 amps of up to 12 watts, and also a USB-C with power delivery 3.0 of up to 100 watts, and finally another USB port supporting power delivery 3.1 of up to 140 watts. According to VOLTME, this charger is capable of powering some of the high-end laptops, including the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14, which I have right now, and all you need to do is plug the USB port at this end, and the other end goes to the USB-C port providing power delivery. So let's see how it works, but before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing, and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the VOLTME Revo series gallium nitride fast charger. Okay, it's quite a nice compact box. Let's take a look inside. Okay, we have a welcome guide. Some instructions there. Then we have the thank you for the purchase card there, and the actual charger itself. I must say this is a charger only, it's not a power bank. Let's take a look. Okay, yes, nice and compact. First off, you'll notice that there's a 2-prong plug connector there that goes straight to the wall, and that's really good for traveling as well. You take it away to charge all your devices. Right, in the front there we have a USB-A charger. That's 2.4 amps, 12 watts of power. Then we have a USB-C, that's power delivery 3.0. That'll give you up to 100 watts of power. And the top here is the big one here at 140 watts of power, and it's a power delivery 3.1, and this is capable of charging MacBooks as well as any high-powered laptops. This can use for tablets, and this one you can use for mobile phones and things like that. Alright, here we have a USB-A connector, so that goes straight in there. Again, you can use that to charge all your mobile phones and things like that. Okay, and here we have the USB-C connector, and that goes in there, or the other port as well, and then you can charge laptops, MacBooks and things like that with that. So all in all, very nice compact charger that you could take for travel, or you could use at office or home as well. So that was a quick unboxing of the VOLTME Revo 140 Power Delivery 3.1 gallium nitride charger. I've been using the VOLTME Revo charger for more than a few weeks now, and I'm more than pleased to say that it does a wonderful job in powering up my ROG Zephyrus G14, especially when I'm on the move. However, the turbo profile is not available. I'm assuming it's got something to do with the spec of the original charger, which has an output of 20 volts and 9 amps, which gives a total output of 180 watts, versus the VOLTME charger, which has a maximum output of 20 volts at 5 amps, giving a total output of 140 watts. As far as charging speed is concerned, it's slightly slower than the original laptop charger, but more than adequate for my usage. I can get a full charge on my ROG Zephyrus G14 laptop in just under 2 hours from zero. The main advantages of the VOLTME Revo charger is its compact size, the ability to charge multiple devices, and a retractable 2-prong plug, which is perfect for any user who travels a lot. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the VOLTME Revo 140 Power Delivery 3.1 GaN Charger. A compact, powerful charger which you can use for high-end laptops, and you can take that with you while you're traveling. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.